what is best for our students starts at the very beginning, with the nourishment that comes from everything this one world can bring. Through diversity comes an appreciation, a curiosity that nurtures understanding, compassion, and kindness for all in this one world. And from the world's many corners come the teachers of diversity, who, each in their own way, understand that empathy nurtured can lead to a better world for this one world. But even if sometimes the world can seem all too overwhelming, each is encouraged, guided, nurtured, as they make their own way within it. A place, a space to breathe and be who they are, finding that right place to develop and grow, to learn as much about who they are as they do about the mysteries concealed within this one world. The pathways are many and the means are multiplying. New slipstreams and doorways open, creating new possibilities for growth along their journey to what will eventually be their world, when they can finally leave their mark on this one world.